Simon Längenfelder and I'm riding for the Red Bull GASGAS factory racing team. Hey rookie, introduce yourself.
I'm Marc-Antonie Rossi and I ride for Red Bull GASGAS factory racing. But where is Jorge?
It's late, huh? Yeah, I will call him.
Oh, Davide. Hey Davide, how are you?
Hey Jorge, where are you?
I'm sitting here, San Diego. I'm just waiting for race day. Where are you?
We are at the photo shooting here in Sardinia, waiting for you.
Photo shooting? When? Right now? Sardinia?
Yeah, don't be too long.
All right, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Wait for me. I'm coming. Sorry guys, I'm here. Ready, let's go. Hello, I'm Jorge Prado. I'm racing for the Red Bull GASGAS factory racing team and I'm the MXGP defending champion.